Welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to explain how to delineate a watershed using ArcGIS Hydrology tools. First of all, let's see what is the watershed. A watershed is an area of land that drains or sheds water into a specific water body. Here, watersheds drain rainfall and snow melt into streams or rivers. Then, these smaller bodies of water flow into larger ones including lakes, bays, and ocean. So, gravity helps to guide the path that water takes across the landscape. Now let's see how to use hydrology tools in ArcGIS to delineate a watershed for a selected study area. Very first you need to insert the DEM raster data set of your study area into ArcGIS by using Add Data button. For this example, I am using SRTM data set of Sri Lanka, and then later I will clip into a selected drainage basin. End of the video, I will explain about the way of downloading DEM data from USGS Earth Explorer. Next step is removing the imperfection of the inserted raster data by using the Fill tool in Hydrology tool set in Spatial Analyst tools. So, open the Fill tool and insert your DEM raster file into Input Surface Raster. Then select your Output Surface Raster location and name the raster file as you wish. After operation done, you can see the difference between inserted raster and the filled one. Next we are going to use Flow Direction tool in same tool set to determine the water flow direction from each cells. For that, open the Flow Direction tool and insert your filled raster file and select Output as previous. Then it will appear like this. Then, let's see how to create a stream network in selected study area. For that, first we need to use Flow Accumulation tool. This Flow Accumulation tool is calculating accumulated flow as the accumulated weight of all cells flowing into each downslope cell in Output Raster. Let's see how to create it. So, open Flow Accumulation tool and input your flow direction raster into that and select the output location. After operation done, you can see it like this. The threshold of the stream network can be specified by the raster derived from Flow Accumulation tool. Let's see how to obtain a more fine stream network including initial stages. I will show you two methods to do it. First method is to use map algebra. Here what we need to do is to input a lower value for the flow accumulation as this examples. Then, All the cells higher than that value will be the part of the stream network. This value is depend on the size of the pixel and the raster. I will adjust the lower value 2 times to see the differences when we change the lower value. Other method is to classify the color ramp manually. Let's see the example. The results are same from these two methods. After creating the flow accumulation raster from any of the above two methods, you need to convert the flow accumulation raster into a polygon. For that, we are using Raster to Polygon tool. So, open the tool and input your flow accumulation raster as input raster and select the output polygon features location and name it. Now let's see the way of delineating all basins of the selected area. For that we are using Basin tool in Hydrology tool set. So, open the Basin tool and input your flow direction raster as input surface raster and select the output location and name the output raster. After operation done, you can see all separate basins in the selected area. Then, use the Raster to Polygon tool to transform the basin raster into a polygon shape file. In here, add the created basin raster as the input surface raster and then you can obtain basin polygons based on the basin raster. Then, let's see the way of clipping a specific basin from above whole area shape file. For that, click on the Select Features button to change the cursor type. After that, you can select any of basin as your requirement. Here, I will select the biggest drainage basin in Sri Lanka called Mahaweli River Basin. After selected the basin that you want to clip, open the clip tool from the geoprocessing tool set. Then select the basin polygon shape file as the input features and clip features as well. Then, automatically the selected polygon will be clipped from the whole area shape file. I will change the filled color of this watershed as no color to see through the polygon. Then, I am going to clip the whole area stream network by using the specific watershed limits that we are clipped in previous step. For that, open the clip tool from geoprocessing tool set and add the stream network as input features and watershed polygon as clip features. Further, I will clip the DEM raster, to obtain the DEM raster for the selected watershed. For that we need to use Clip tool in Raster Processing tool set from the Data Management tool set. Here, add the DEM raster as the input raster and watershed polygon as the output extent. Don't forget to tick on Use Input features for clipping geometry. Then the output raster will be the DEM raster for the selected watershed. So, finally this is the watershed delineate for the selected study area using ArcGIS Hydrology tools. Now, let's see the summary of the entire process. First step, insert the DEM raster based on your study area. Second step, fill the DEM raster to remove the imperfections. Third step, obtaining the flow direction raster using flow direction tool. Fourth step, obtaining the flow accumulation raster using flow accumulation tool. Fifth step, obtaining a more fine stream network using map algebra. Sixth step, obtaining the stream network shapefile using raster to polygon tool. Seventh step, delineating basin raster using basin tool. Eighth step, obtaining the basin polygon shapefile. Ninth step, clip the specific watershed. 10th step, clip the stream network based on watershed. Final step, clip the DEM raster for the watershed. Now I will show how to download the DEM raster data from the USGS Earth Explorer. This is the easiest and quick way to download the raster data. For that first you need to create an account in their website. If not, they are not allowed to download the data. After create your account, log in to the USGS Earth Explorer web page and select the 4 points to cover your study area. Then go for a data set and select the data type that you want. After select the data type, go for a result menu and search one by one and download the required data set that is matching to your study area. I will insert that downloaded SRTM raster data into ArcGIS. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay tuned with us.